Good morning, students. We will see properties of sulfuric acid. First, properties of dilute sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid shows all the typical properties of acid. For example, it can react with metal to produce hydrogen gas. This is the reaction. It can also react with base to form salt and water. We have this reaction for it. Then it can react with carbonates or bicarbonates to produce carbon dioxide gas. It can also react with sulfite, anion in SO3 2 minus, where it can produce sulfur dioxide gas. It can react with metal sulfides to produce hydrogen sulfide gas. So we have these 5 important typical properties shown by dilute sulfuric acid. Let us come to the properties of strong sulfuric acid. So concentrated sulfuric acid shows the property like non-volatility, that is volatile, non-volatile nature. It also has a property of oxidizing, that means it behaves like an oxidizing agent, and it also behaves like a dehydrating agent. So we will see few examples based on these properties. Starting with its non-volatile nature. Strong sulfuric acid is having this nature of non-volatility because of its high boiling point, which is around 338 degrees Celsius. And using this property, concentrated sulfuric acid can be used in the preparation of some volatile acids like hydrochloric acid or nitric acid. Here are the examples: NaCl plus Conc H2SO4. When it is heated to below 200 degrees Celsius, it gives NaHSO4 and plus HCl. So we have hydrochloric acid here, which is a volatile acid. We can also produce another volatile acid like nitric acid. For this we will take either potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate. Again, when heated below 200 degrees Celsius, it will give N plus HNO3. So nitric acid once again is a volatile acid. Here the nature of Conc H2SO4 is, concentrated nature should be there. So these are the two examples where it shows non-volatile nature. We have another property of Conc sulfuric acid, which is oxidizing property. That is, it behaves like an oxidizing agent. It behaves like an oxidizing agent, and the reason behind Conc sulfuric acid showing Oxidizing property is the formation of nascent oxygen during its decomposition, because sulfuric acid decomposes to give water sulfur dioxide, and it is this nascent oxygen that is also produced at the same time, which is provided to the metal and the non-metals that will be oxidized. So let us see how it can oxidize non-metal. Like carbon is a non-metal. Using this strong sulfuric acid, it can be oxidized to give carbon dioxide plus water and plus sulfur dioxide. If we take sulfur, it also gets oxidized using the same process to give sulfur dioxide and plus water. So we have this oxidizing property shown by strong sulfuric acid, where it can oxidize non-metals like carbon and sulfur. Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide and sulfur is oxidized to sulfur dioxide. I hope it is clear. Next day we will see some more property of concentrated sulfuric acid. Thank you.